Hello, welcome back. If you're seeing this video, this is the, so I did two videos. There should be a video like an introduction, and then about the repair, and then there should be a time-lapse video if that came out really well, and now of the actual repair, and now this is the moment of truth. I'm going to plug it in. I ended up replacing the capacitor board in here. What did I do with the old one? Oh, hold on. I threw it over here. So, I replaced this board. It had a lot of solder joints that had failed, and yeah, it was just looking pretty bad. A few of the pads are literally gone, and it had been repaired before. Somebody replaced this capacitor in there. It's actually the wrong value, so I'm not quite sure. That probably also led to its downfall. It's probably why the pads are so exploded over in that section. But anyways, ended up replacing that guy. We replaced, both fuses were dead, so those got replaced and with brand new ones. And the MOV had also shorted and failed. So this thing got hit by lightning at some point in time, and the MOV conducted and it blew up, which might be also what blew the fuses. So I went ahead and replaced that MOV. I just took it off of another charger because I did not have any of them, and I just wanted to get this thing up and running. So, I think we're ready. Moment of truth. As you can see, if I go up here, I'm still recording my little time-lapse video. It looks like it's up to 5 minutes and 32 seconds long, so it's kind of like a meta video within a video. But I'm going to really carefully place this right here. Yeah, that worked out really well. So now my hands are free to fire this up. We'll go ahead and apply power. Well, I've got, let me get Monlog up and running here, and then I'll apply power. Okay. If you watched the video before, it did absolutely nothing. Hey, now she comes on. She's says the battery pack is fully charged, which I would believe because it probably is. And it looks like, according to the Monlog there, it's running. So let's see how much current we're putting out. Voltage. Let's get that on the screen here. Oh, that is completely unreadable. Is that readable? That's readable. Oh, let's see. We'll do it the dangerous way. So we should be reading 178 volts, 178.1, and Monlog says that we should be at 177 volts, so it's within a volt. It's close. And for current, I'll go ahead and zero it, and see if I can get on here. Is that on the video? No. Let me see if I can get. Let's get this. It'll be backwards, but. So what is that? So you see that? 2 amps, 2-ish amps, 2.08, 2.06, 2.07. So around 2 amps right now. And if we look on Monlog, it says that we're putting out 2 amps. So that looks pretty good. So I would say that this guy is fixed and up and running. I just got to put the cover on and button it up, and it is destined for eBay. Took the bad parts out, put new parts in. I used one of the replacement cat boards. Add that to the collection of bad boards, and well, here, I can show you over on Monlog here. You have to ignore the supervisor here. He is taking a nap. Yeah, he's awake now. That's the safety coordinator, supervisor. But if you look over at Monlog, yeah, she's up and running. Putting about 2.7 amps now. Looks like the battery voltage is 176 volts. And looks like everything's good. Temperature looks good. I don't have the fan hooked up, so the power stage is obviously a bit higher. And yeah, that doesn't look too bad. It's up and running. How many amp hours does this thing put out? Let's see. Watt hours. Let's see. So this thing is pumped in its lifetime. What is that? 16.8 megawatts. Is that right? Yeah, it looks like 16.8 megawatts. So this puppy's had a lot of use. But she's up and running now. Go ahead and finish putting it together. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching.